This is gonna be so flat and boom. Hey guys, we are back with another video. Of course, it's a hair video because your girl is on a hair roll. This is a 26-inch kinky straight Upart wig from Dorsanee Hair. You guys, this is really long. I love that for me. Like, it's either I want like shoulder length or I want it to be really long. Not even the last wig, I had some clip-ins that were 16 inches. I love that. I feel like that's a really cute everyday, you know, length. But like when you want to like jazz it up and spice it up, go 26, go 30. So that's what we have here. I've already washed and let this air dry. I just love the way the hair looks and flows when it's air dried and not like manipulated through heat. So that's what I did. This is the texture of the hair. You can see like the kinks in it. We're gonna straighten this hair though. Like once we put it on, I'm gonna straighten some of that out. But here is what the wig looks like on the inside. There are 2 clips on both sides, and then there are combs on the side, and then there is a comb in the back as well as an adjustable strap. Now my hair isn't braided down, and you know what? I'm really on my U-part wig kick. Like if I'm not wearing a U-part, I'm wearing my natural hair or clip-ins. I just need to get my hair braided back down because I feel like this is the easiest and most protective style. This is cute. I want to do like half up, half down, but I'm just going to middle part, straight this, bust down middle part. And also I need to dye my hair black because I feel like my black is fading. And the last time I dyed my hair, I only dyed my leave out because I didn't have time to dye my whole head. So I'm literally going to dye all of my U parts jet black, my hair jet black, just so like, ain't nothing like jet black hair. So I'm going to figure out how I need to, and then my hair is growing. Like, if y'all go a couple months back, like my hair was trash. Like, I had layers because I had to get layers. Like, it was just a hot mess. So my layers are growing out. Like, my hair is growing out. So, clap it up for my hair. I am going to do like a natural hair update because I feel like y'all need one. And I do a lot. Well, I don't do a lot, but it's a lot of products I've gone through that I feel like will benefit y'all hair. So anyways, I need to see how much leave out I want to leave. Okay. So it's given, this is what we gotta do. All right. Try to remember that. Does this look about right? Yeah. And then also, I don't know what it is, but I feel like my edges are thinning out. So I just really don't want to do much with my hair, you know? And I feel like my hair grew the most when I didn't do anything to it. Like I was getting my quick weaves, and then my mama was doing my hair. Like I really wasn't doing nothing. So like I just feel like my hair needs to be braided down, and I just need to not touch it. Cause not touching your hair is what make your hair grow. And that's just that on that. So this is our leave out. I definitely wish I had me a nice little braid down, but we're gonna get that. Okay. So your wig is as flat as your base. So for me, it's not gonna be flat because I don't have no good base. But we're gonna make it do what it do. So I'm gonna put my hair like in the lowest ponytail and like flip it up. So like this is my base. And that's good for, you know, now the video, but like wearing this outside the house, I'm definitely getting my hair braided down. It's just more secure. And people been snatching people's wigs off. Like, have y'all been seeing these TikToks? And like people been snatching people's wigs? Yeah, no. Let's just, all right. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna attach the combs. Perfect. And you also always make sure the combs are comfortable. If they're not, it's not going to be a comfortable install. Make sure your clips are comfortable. Okay. The hair is extremely soft. This is what the hair looks like. This is 26 inches in its natural state. This is what it looks like from the back. So it's really long. It's nice and flowy. I would just wear it like this, honestly. Like, I feel like y'all have seen me do this a million times, but we're doing it again. I literally wear my hair the same all the time. Okay, so I feel like when you're straightening kinky straight hair, like to get the kinks out, you really have to go slow, or one, use extremely high heat. So this curling iron that I have goes up to 480 degrees. So I never ever do your hair, your real hair, this high. All I'm gonna do is straighten this out. So I know y'all don't really care to see that. Okay, so here's the difference. You can see this is more sleek, and then this is like poofy. So we gonna get these to this. So we still have lots of texture, but it's just more sleek compared to like, it's just natural side. So I love this. This will blend so good with blown out hair, natural hair. I feel like this even blend with like relaxed hair, because when my hair was relaxed, it was straight, but it still had some texture to it. And this is nice. Like, for the most part, most of the kinks are out. There's still a little bit, like, you can definitely get that out if you like just went a little slower or did the chase method, but it doesn't bother me. So I'm just going to straighten this side and I'll be right back. It's really long. I love that. This jet black is going to be so cute. This would be really cute wanded as well, like the tiny wands I was talking about. But anyway, now we're on to leave out. And for my leave out, since it's already like straight, I'm going to go in with my Paul Mitchell flat iron on 400. And I'm just going to take my heat protectant spray and spray my hair. I love this stuff. It smells so good. So this is like, you gotta tell me. So I'm just gonna straighten out this little curve. My hair has now. My flat iron is on 400. That's all we need. Not much at all. Still keeping texture. It's not silky straight. I'm just going to straighten this. I love that for me. Look at that. But where's my hair and where's the extensions? Yeah. Okay. And then, you know, we leave enough out so we can do the tuck. And we don't have to, like, worry about anything. Like, what? And of course, if your hair is braided down, this gonna be so flat. I've even seen some people get their U-part sewn down, which is probably what I'm gonna do. So I don't have to get a sew in. I'm just gonna get my hair braided down, and then I can sew in, like, just sew the perimeter of the U-part. And boom. She's not going anywhere. So yeah, this hair is from Dorsanee Hair. This is the Kinky Straight U-part wig in 26 inches, and baby, she is long. So I love that for me. I love the texture. Are you kidding me? What? My edges need some straightening and some edge control, but I'm not too worried about it. It's dirty anyway, so this is perfect. This is cute. This, look how flat it is, and I don't even have a braid down. So imagine me with a braid down. What? It's so flat. Like this, you can even, like, want a ponytail? You can put a U-part on and do a ponytail. Like, what? Look how flat that is. Yeah. So yeah, I will be sure to list all of Dorsanee's hair information in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.